What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. So on this beautiful day, we're gonna be painting an engine bay. Let's get into it. So, y'all know this car been sitting right here under the car cover or whatever, and I really, haven't said anything much about it. But I am, like I said, painting the engine bay, and I never recorded it because for one, I hate prepping for paint. It's just something that irks my soul. It's not the actual, painting process. It's just the masking, sanding, priming, all that stuff. So, yeah, finally got on it, and this thing is going to be, I gotta wipe it down or whatever, spray it all off, but this thing is going to be getting painted today. I replaced the radiator support, and for you Honda guys, I know y'all know a lot about it. When you put those control arms on, those adjustable ones, and you go to lower the car, these tend to get beat up. A lot of people cut them out. What I did was I ended up cutting it out, welding a new piece in, which is super hard to weld that thin shit, but cut it out and bundled it and everything, sanded it down, so it's ready to go. Both sides are done, everything's all masked off. Ended up having to weld a bracket because the guy that he had welded the bracket, the whole thing, like literally I could have ripped it off. So I had to weld a bracket on there, put a new radiator support on it and everything, got everything masked off. So yeah, this thing's ready to paint, and I'm gonna go ahead and check over everything, make sure it's all clean, run over with a tack cloth, and yeah, I'm gonna spray it out here. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna spray the ground down with water to make sure any dust doesn't fly up or whatever, but that should be it. I'm gonna throw you guys on my head mount. Hopefully I don't get paint all on the camera. It's been a while since I painted, so hopefully this goes right. The color that he went with is this purple color. Is this purple color right here. So yeah, purple match, whatever that is. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to lay down some pretty colors today. It is beautiful out here. It is super beautiful, feels good. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Hope you guys are having a good day, and let's get into it, y'all.
I'll drop this shit, man.
Rain up beat.
All right, y'all. So, getting in that back firewall is tricky. Trying to get all of this first and then move to the front portion. So trying to get all that painted first, but it's a pain trying to get in there with that gun and that big ass cup hidden on it, all on the firewall and stuff. So I gotta get off in here some more, off up in there. Damn wind wanna just pick up high as hell when I start. So I'm gonna get back off up in here, give this probably about 10 minutes to dry, and then come back in it, hit all in the corners and stuff again, and then we'll move to the front portion, get all this painted. That color's pretty nice though, not too shabby. Y'all, so was able to get everything painted. Everything's got a coat of paint on it, even the ground, but he almost didn't have enough. He got to paint, and I mean, like, he almost didn't have enough. Like, literally I mixed every single drop, even put a little bit of reducer in the can, splashed it around, and I was able to get a 3-to-1, or however you say it. I don't know the paint code for mixtures or the paint talk or whatever, but I was able to mix enough to get everything painted. So now I'm gonna give this probably about 20 minutes to dry, then I'll start shooting the clear on it. He almost, and I mean almost, didn't have enough. So, like I said, get us about 15 minutes and 15-20 minutes. Then I'll come back, we'll start spraying the clear coat on this thing. And this will be done. It'll be a wrap, cuz. Yep. Not too bad, not too bad. Disclaimer, I am no shape, form, or fashion a painter, so I know it's probably a lot of things that I'm doing wrong. That car was the only car. That car, my Accord and the Civic, only 2 cars that I'm painted. I painted my engine bay and my Maxima a long time ago using spray cans, and I mean, it came out flawless. But yeah, I don't have a lot of practice with painting, so don't come for me, you know, don't talk too much shit about me. But yeah, I guess we're gonna hop into this clear coat, and this thing should shine up pretty good. All right, so we about to shoot this clear. I'll mix this up, pour it in the gun, and get the spraying. right, so we on coat 2. As you can see how wet that looks. Alright, laying down some glass right here, boy. So this is 2 coats. First coat was a tack coat. Then this was kind of like a, I don't know, like a heavy coat. Well, it wasn't a real heavy coat, but it was like a medium coat or something. Like a medium somewhat coat. Bruh, they would wanna like start weed eating and cutting grass while I'm trying to paint. That kills me. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more coat. I'm gonna let this dry for about 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back with the last coat, wet it up real good. But you can see it looks pretty damn good, man. Y'all, so I had to run over there and tell my neighbor who started cutting his grass out of fucking nowhere after I'm trying to paint. I had to run and tell dude, I'm like, bro, can you give me some time so I can finish painting? Like, I'm like, then he act like, oh, I didn't know. I'm like, bro, you finna, man, fuck me over. But anyways, y'all can see we like glass. So now it's just dry time. So that's pretty much it, man. Not too shabby. I use, that's 3, 1 light coat, 1 medium coat, 1 heavy coat. Like I said, I am in no shape, form, or fashion a painter by any means, but this didn't turn out too bad. So drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Please let me know what you guys think. You guys gotta start interacting with the channel, man. Give me some feedback. Let me know that I'm doing good. Let me know that I'm doing bad. Tell me something. Like, I need feedback. You guys don't be doing nothing. It's only a few guys, like 3 of y'all, that like comment every time. So bruh, just drop a comment, like the video or something. And yeah, for you guys that's not subscribed, that's watching the video, I see it in the analytics. Bruh, just hit the subscribe button. It's right there. It's not hard. But anyways, yeah, we got that boy in there. That's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna clean up my paint gun and stuff, get everything put up, and give this time to dry so he can come get his car or whatever. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I guess until the next one, y'all, we out. Peace.